As the world is observing the International Women's Day today, miseries and victimization of the Kashmiri women at the hands of the Indian troops, police, and agencies continue unabated in the occupied Kashmir, according to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of the World Women's Day. Thousands of women are among 96,290 people of the occupied Kashmir who have been martyred by the Indian Forces personnel since January 1989 till date. At least 685 women have been martyred by the troops since January 2001. Political parties in the occupied Kashmir have termed the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Srinagar speech a mere rhetoric sounding like an election rally as it skipped the major issues of the territory. Narendra Modi addressed a so-called public rally during his visit to Srinagar. Indian Supreme Court has quashed a case against a college professor in the Maharashtra for criticizing the Modi government's decision for illegally abrogating the occupied Kashmir's special status, especially the Article 370 describing the day on which the abrogation as a black day and for wishing Pakistan on the Independence Day. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian top court was hearing the case of Javed Ahmed, a professor at a college in Kolhapur. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has expressed grave concern over the atrocities committed by the Indian troops on the women in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the concern was expressed in a seminar organized by the APHC AJK chapter at its office in Islamabad on the occasion of International Women's Day today. Pakistan's Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif has said that Pakistan will continue to stand shoulder to shoulder with the people of occupied Kashmir in their just struggle for their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Pakistan's PM Shehbaz Sharif expressed the resolve during his meeting with the Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir, Chaudhry Anwarul Haq, during his visit to Muzaffarabad today.